Hello guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password from the cPanel from phpMyAdmin. In case for one reason or the other you are unable to log into your WordPress backend or the dashboard, then I'm going to show you how to reset your password. The thing is, you can actually reset from here. For example, let me show you this now. Let me try to log in here. First off, okay, can you see guys, it's saying the password you entered for the username first tag is incorrect. So you can actually go ahead and click on the lost your password here. But if you are like me, that your website is currently having a coming soon page, so here I'm not just using a coming soon page now, I'm using a particular plugin for this coming soon, so it's unable to take me to that page. But if yours is not that way, you can easily input your password and you'll be sent a link to reset your password. But if you are like me, that for one reason or the other you are not able to log in and you are not able to input your email, so we have to log in. This website is hosted on Bluehost, so I'm just going to log into my Bluehost account now. We are the Bluehost dashboard now, so just go ahead. If you are using Bluehost or whatever you are using, and whatever hosting plan you are using, you can actually click on the look for a way to get into your cPanel. So I'm just going to click on advanced here. Okay, so in the advanced tool, let's try to locate the databases. So this is what database you click on. Before that, you need to, because before you can change your password, you need to know the name of your database. So to locate the name of your database, we will need to click on file manager. Let me open a new tab. Okay, so this is the file manager. Your own might not be like this, but because I'm hosting multiple websites on this particular hosting, so for first stack web, this particular domain we are working on, I clicked on it. Then we are going to look for the file named wp-config.php. This is it. You can right click and click on edit. So we go ahead and click on edit, so it will open the editor. So what we are basically looking for is usually around the line 19 to 25. So this is the database name. For me, it's wp393. wp393, that's the database name. Okay, so now that we know the database name, let's go back to the tools. So under tools, we look for databases. So you click on phpMyAdmin. Okay, in phpMyAdmin you can see how it looks like. So you just, now on the left side you can see, I don't know how many they might be showing your own, but then you can expand by clicking on this plus. So now you can remember the database name we're looking for is 393, so I'm just going to expand this 396, sorry. So I'm just going to expand it 396. Now under the 396, now under the database, we are going to look for users, wp gr users. This is users now, so I'm going to expand. I'm going to click on the wp-gr users. So yeah, this is the user. Then you come here, look for the edit. You click on this and edit. Okay, so this is the edit. Now this is a password that it's generated by itself, so we are just going to enter a new password. So when you enter the password, you're going to look at this box next to the password. You click on the drop down and select MD5 MD. Yes, so you select MD5, then you scroll down and click on go. Yes, that's it, guys. See, one row affected. Our password has been reset. So now let's go back to our dashboard. So let me enter the password now. Guys, can you see we are at the back end of the website already? We've been able to log in successfully. So if you have any question, please drop it at the comment section, and if you like, please click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you can enjoy more of this. And if you like me to do a video on any topic that you're finding difficult, please drop in the comment section. See you next time. Thank you.